Kristen at Cooking in the County. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken buffalo wraps. I feel almost guilty bringing you this recipe because it's just so darn quick and easy. Like everyone's probably like, I already know how to do that or whatever, but maybe you don't. So that's why I want to bring it to you. So today it's like 3 ingredients. How cool is that? As always, please, if you could, like and subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up because that's what helps my channels all along. And if you click the little bell dingy thingy, that will tell you every single time I post a video. So click subscribe, click the little bell, and give me a like on the video. So we're gonna get started on these chicken buffalo wraps. Here's a list of ingredients you're gonna need to make these wraps. Okay, this is so quick and easy. Like I said, I feel almost guilty bringing this recipe to you because it's so quick and easy, okay? We're gonna do it in the crock pot. Whenever I do stuff in the crock pot, I always kind of try to warm it up while I'm doing stuff, so this is on high. We're gonna cook this on high for about 4 hours or low on 6. Low for 6 hours, okay? This is gonna be so quick. So there's gonna be, I'm gonna say probably 4 of us eating these chicken wraps. Now, I'm not selling this product for anyone. I'm just telling you, I absolutely love Swan's boneless chicken breast fillets. They cook up so juicy and so moist. I have been picking up chicken from the grocery store for 1,000 years and I can never get chicken to be as tender as this chicken. So this is all the chicken I use anymore. I hope it's not bad for us. It shouldn't be, but it says it's no hormones have been added. So that's exactly, or steroids. That's what I'm looking for. No hormones or steroids. I have enough of my own hormones going on right now. Woo. Okay, so if there's gonna be, for me, I put, because the chicken is quite big pieces of chicken. It's frozen. I'm gonna throw it right in here frozen. I put 1 piece of chicken for each person that's eating. So if it's the complete family, if there's 5, then I throw 5 pieces of chicken in. I think there's only 4 of us eating it tonight, so I'm putting 4 frozen chicken fillets in the crock pot. Crock pot's been warming up. It doesn't have to be. Okay, 4. Okay, put this back in the freezer. Okay, here it is. I love Frank's Red Hot, but I want you to use the hot sauce that you and your family like. Like if you hate Frank's red sauce, hot sauce, don't make it with this because your family won't eat it. It'll just be a waste of food, okay? So we're gonna put this whole 12-ounce bottle, we're gonna take this whole 12-ounce bottle of Red Hot. So make sure, because you're gonna need more Red Hot, more sauce for your wraps once they're cooked. So make sure you have an extra bottle, okay? Because you're gonna use this whole entire bottle, okay? All you're gonna do is empty it all out. Now you don't have to add water or anything to this because your chicken is frozen and that's gonna add a lot of juice with this, okay? And 1 ranch seasoning, the powder, 1 package. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. Okay, just getting our vegetables all cut up for our chicken buffalo wraps. I cut them all up, put some plastic wrap around it, put it in the refrigerator so when it's time to eat, everything's done and it's all cleaned up, okay? For my family, what they love on their chicken buffalo wraps, everybody likes them different, but some people in my family love green peppers, tomatoes, onions, pickles, and of course, some yummy lettuce. And I always like to cut it up really, really, really fine, okay? So also to this, they love cheese. I love grating my own cheese. I feel like it tastes so much better. I know it is a little extra work than just opening a bag and putting cheese out, but really, if you don't or haven't really grated your own cheese, if you have not grated your own cheese, do it. I don't think you'll ever regret it because cheese is the best. Like if there's two things in life that I would really, really be sad if I couldn't have, one is cheese and the second is coffee. And I can't tell you which, like they're both number one. Coffee and cheese and pizza and bread. Now I can't have all the bread and pizza anymore, and honestly, I shouldn't be drinking all the coffee that I drink either. I've been cutting down to the half calf, and that's okay, but I still love my occasional, I say occasional, daily iced coffee from Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons is our equivalent of most people's Starbucks. We have no Starbucks where we're at. The closest Starbucks to us is 3 hours away. Can you imagine? I lived in Georgia for 3 years, and oh my gosh, I was in heaven. I had Starbucks every day. But we have a Tim Hortons. That's a Canadian coffee franchise, and it's the second best. We also obviously have a Dunkin' Donuts, but I like Tim Hortons the best. Okay, so that's all my cheese. That's 8 ounces of shredded up cheese. Now it's all done. If I don't use all this, I put it in a baggie, put it in the fridge, and use it when I need to. So then you have a bag of shredded cheese, okay? Sharp extra cheddar cheese is my favorite. Okay, I'm just gonna wrap these up, put them in the fridge, and when our chicken is done, we'll shred it up, make our wraps, and have a delicious supper. Okay, it's been 4 hours, and our chicken is done cooking. Now, there's a lot of cayenne pepper in some Red Hot, so when you take the cover off, like I did just a few seconds ago to check it, that hits you in the face. That's really hot, spicy hot. So, we're going to take our chicken. It's really incredibly tender. Let me see if I can find tongs. Okay, it's really tender. Pull it out carefully. It's gonna fall apart on us. 4 pieces. This chicken is really spicy. Now, if you don't like incredibly spicy, you could do like 4 ounces of Red Hot and do like a cup of chicken broth. Do that together, it won't be as spicy, okay? So I'm gonna show you this chicken. You see it? It's like falling apart. Look at that, just barely touching it. You see that? Awesome. I'm gonna try it real quick. It's gonna be hot, I think. Really yummy. I think if we cooked it any longer than 4 hours, the chicken would be really dry. Right now it's still nice and moist, but so all we're gonna do very quickly and easily is we're just gonna break it up with our fork, okay? Just break it up so we can put it into our tortilla, okay? You can make it really, really fine, or you can make it chunky, however you want. Delicious. You can take some of this sauce and pour it over the top if you want, or add no more sauce of this whatsoever and add this. What I do, this is how I do it, but like I say all the time, it's your kitchen, you do you. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna break it all up. Okay, just like this. Okay. It's all broken up, okay? I'm gonna put it back in here, into all this juice. Okay, push all around, make sure it's all broke up the best we can. And then I'm just gonna pull it out of here with all the juices on it. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Let's see how so yummy. Okay. Actually, I'm just gonna bring you down to it. See that? Looks so good. Okay. Okay, now I gotta get our vegetables out of the refrigerator that I cut up 4 hours ago. Also grab some ranch dressing, okay? This stuff out of the way. our cheese and all of our vegetables that's been all cut up. So now all we're gonna do is assemble this. Okay, let's see in here. Okay, tortillas. You can do the small fajita ones. You can do the carb wrap ones, whatever you want. Big one here. Okay, shell. Let's see here. I put ranch down first because the ranch is what's gonna cool down the spiciness of the chicken, spicy chicken. Honestly, this is spicy enough. I really don't think you need to add, I'm not going to, for me, but you do you. I am not gonna add any extra more hot sauce to this. All I'm doing is just gonna keep the juice there, okay? Add some lettuce, cool it off a little bit. Cheese next. Onion. Pickles. Whatever you want on it. Cooked tomatoes. Green pepper. You can add more ranch on top. Hot sauce if you want. Even the sauce from your crock pot. Let's see if you can see me here. There we go. Just fold up the ends. Can get messy, but you can do it. Fold up the ends. Bring this around. Just push everybody in and tight. Close it in, and wrap it up. Okay? What I like to do, just to be fancy, to make the kids feel like they went to order this at the sandwich shop, I get some wax paper. They probably don't even care. I just like to do stuff like this and hold the sandwich together too. So wax paper. Take the corner of it, fold it just like I did with the yep. And then just roll it wicked tight. Like that. And then I put their name on it. Plate. Let's see right here. Plate. Cut it in half like they do at the sandwich place. Whoop. And there's your sandwich. Doesn't that look so yummy? Okay. Okay guys, wicked easy, wicked quick buffalo wrap sandwich. I'm gonna finish cutting it. Really failed on me here. Gosh, gotta get my knife sharpened. Anyway, wicked quick, wicked easy, but so delicious. So guys, once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me a big fat thumbs up if you like this video. But most of all, I hope you really try this. I hope you love it, and hope you have a great night.